Okay, sure. So I've joined Traefik 6 years ago right now. I'm the head of sales here in the company. And Traefik exists for 10 years now, the open source project. And the company has been built 8 years ago now. So.
Excellent.
All right, sure. So Traefik is here to solve a pain that's very clear on the market, is how to expose containers, microservices and APIs. And that's what Traefik does. That's what is an application proxy, is sending a request to the right backend. And this is all very automated. So we kind of invented the auto discovery concept as well as the auto configuration. And then we've expanded some extra capabilities on top of that basic functionality. Okay, yeah, great. So essentially Traefik is very much focusing on simplifying all the IT processes. So we really want to enable all the developers to develop services, APIs and microservices, publish them, and we take care of all the plumbering, which is all the wiring, the exposition of those said microservices. So that's the idea. Traefik is sitting in front of all the microservices, and we are going to expose them, protect them with OpenID Connect, JWT, OAuth, API keys, as well as sharing those microservices into API portals, for example. So simplifying the development and the automation of microservices. Yeah, so Traefik is very unique in a sense that it focuses on simplicity, as I've just said. So what we want is to really automate all these tasks that are given to DevOps and developers today. And we are focusing on GitOps, and GitOps is very much about how you want everything to be declarative. So you want everyone to be able to configure things using command line and everything, so it can be automated and accelerated. So GitOps and simplicity, as well as a huge open source community, are what sets Traefik apart from the competition. Okay, so we have been working on AI Gateway for a couple of months now, and this is actually a very buzzing word, as you know, at the moment, and this is changing every day. So what we do here, we're helping companies to use all the LLMs model that are available on the market, like Mistral or OpenAI, and that way you can govern and secure who is accessing those models in your organization. So for example, you may have the marketing department accessing OpenAI, you may have the accountant using the Mistral, for example. What you want to know is control, what they do, and how much does it cost. So we're able to count the token that are being consumed and purchased with OpenAI, as well as making sure that the authentication is done in the right way, protecting the content that is being shared with those AI technologies. So like we have semantic caching as well. For example, if you ask a question to an AI, which is the same as a previous question being asked before, we're going to serve the response quicker without paying for another token. So it's really about securing and accelerating the use of those LLMs, as well as what we call AI inferencing, which is a way to use AI with your own data set inside your data center, for example. And you need an API gateway like Traefik to access those models, actually. So that's what we do in AI. Yeah. So the buzzing part for us at the moment is all around API mocking, which is a way to create API mock quickly, so you can test your APIs before they've actually been going on staging and on production. So like a developer is able to quickly have an API, create a URL at which you can share that API to someone, which is a mock, and then you can put some rate limiting on top of the mock. You can add all the API gateway and API management capabilities on that API mocking. So that's a very important topic. And then essentially what you want now also is all the AI topic that I've just discussed before. We're working a lot on that, providing content guarding, semantic caching, and all the token management from those AI technologies. So these are like the very hot topics on which we are working at the moment. And I'm sure this KubeCon is going to be great to discuss all of that as the new use cases are emerging every day. So